If you are comparing window replacement cost in Friendswood TX, the smartest approach is to look at total value, not just the lowest price. How much does window replacement cost in Friendswood TX depends on window size, frame material, glass type, labor, and whether you need full frame replacement or insert installation. Homeowners in Friendswood, Texas often find that premium energy-efficient replacement windows in Friendswood TX reduce long-term utility bills enough to justify the upfront investment, especially in the humid Gulf Coast climate. When reviewing window replacement estimates in Friendswood TX near Pasadena, Clear Lake, and the greater Houston area, compare product quality, warranty coverage, installation experience, and energy performance before choosing a contractor. The best window replacement Friendswood TX usually include vinyl replacement windows, double pane window replacement in Friendswood TX, and low E-glass replacement windows designed for Texas heat. Vinyl window replacement benefits for Friendswood TX homeowners include durability, low maintenance, strong insulation, and excellent value for money. For homes near the Texas Gulf Coast, storm-resistant replacement windows for Friendswood TX homes, and impact-resistant window replacement in Friendswood TX near Bacliff or Porte can also improve year-round protection. If you want better comfort, lower noise, and improved efficiency, residential window replacement services in Friendswood TX should focus on products built for heat, humidity, and severe weather. Knowing the signs you need window replacement in Friendswood TX can help you avoid higher energy bills and structural damage. Common warning signs include drafts, condensation between panes, difficulty opening or closing windows, rotting frames, and rising indoor temperatures during the summer. Window frame repair versus replacement in Friendswood TX depends on the severity of the damage. But older windows with warped frames or failed seals usually need full replacement rather than patch repairs. Homeowners looking for replacement windows for improved curb appeal in Friendswood TX often also discover that damaged or outdated windows are hurting both appearance and performance. How to choose energy efficient. Window replacement. Friendswood TX starts with understanding U-factor, SHGC, frame insulation, and glass coatings. Low E glass replacement windows are one of the most effective choices for replacement windows for humid Gulf Coast climate conditions because they help reflect heat and maintain indoor comfort. Energy savings from new windows in Friendswood TX can be significant when replacing old single-pane or worn-out double-pane units. If you are searching for energy-efficient window installation in Friendswood TX near Pearland, or energy-saving window replacement in Friendswood TX near Shore Acres, prioritize licensed window replacement contractors in Friendswood TX who install high-performance products correctly. Custom window installation for older homes in Friendswood TX requires careful measurements, precision fitting, and materials that match the home's structure and style. Many older properties near the Hobby area, Taylor Lake Village, and Clear Lake City benefit from replacement windows for older houses in Friendswood TX near Hobby area, because the original frames may no longer be square or energy efficient. Professional window installation process in Friendswood TX typically includes inspection, removal, frame prep, sealing, installation, insulation, and cleanup. What to expect during window replacement in Friendswood TX is a smooth process when you work with professional window contractors in Friendswood TX near Taylor Lake Village who understand historic and custom homes. Window replacement. Friendswood TX house depends on the number of windows, custom sizing, weather, and product availability. Most residential window replacement in Friendswood TX near Webster or residential window replacement specialists in Friendswood TX near South Houston projects can be completed faster when standard sizes are used and the home is prepared in advance. Seasonal timing for window replacement in Friendswood TX matters too, because spring and fall often provide the best conditions for installation. For homeowners scheduling custom home window replacement in Friendswood TX near Alvin and Pearland, early planning helps avoid delays and improves project efficiency. Noise reduction replacement windows for Friendswood TX are ideal for homes near busy roads, commercial corridors, or flight paths in the Bay Area Houston region. Soundproof replacement windows in Friendswood TX near Porte and modern window replacement solutions in Friendswood TX near Seabrook can make a noticeable difference in comfort, privacy, and sleep quality. Double-pane window replacement in Friendswood TX near Galveston County is a strong option for reducing exterior noise while improving energy performance. If your home is close to traffic or neighborhood activity, residential window replacement services in Friendswood TX should include sound control as part of the recommendation. Affordable window replacement in Friendswood TX near Bay Area. Houston does not mean sacrificing quality when you choose the right contractor and product line. Window replacement financing options in Friendswood TX can help homeowners spread out the investment while upgrading to better performing windows sooner. To get the best results, compare how to compare window replacement estimates in Friendswood TX by looking at materials, installation methods, warranty terms, and energy ratings. Local window replacement company in Friendswood TX near Nassau Bay and licensed window installers in Friendswood TX near Manville should provide transparent quotes and clear explanations of what is included. The best materials for replacement windows in Friendswood TX often include vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames, depending on your budget and design goals. Vinyl replacement windows installed in Friendswood TX near Kemah remain popular because they handle moisture well and require little maintenance. For homeowners prioritizing long-term performance, custom replacement windows for homes in Friendswood TX near Alvin and Pearland can be tailored to fit unique openings, architectural styles, and efficiency needs. Window upgrade and replacement services in Friendswood TX near Santa Fe TX should also account for sunlight exposure, humidity, and storm risk. Home window replacement maintenance tips in Friendswood TX are simple but important for protecting your investment. Clean tracks regularly, inspect seals seasonally, check caulking, and make sure drainage openings stay clear. Residential window replacement services in Friendswood TX and League City often recommend routine inspections before and after storm season to maintain performance. Best replacement windows for Friendswood TX homes near Dickinson and home window installation services in Friendswood TX near Clear Lake City should come with guidance on how to preserve energy efficiency, hardware function, and frame condition for years to come. Storm-rated window replacement in Friendswood TX near the Texas Gulf Coast is a valuable upgrade for homeowners who want added protection and peace of mind. Replacement windows for homes in Friendswood TX near Clear Lake and window replacement contractors serving Friendswood TX and Houston suburbs can recommend impact-rated or reinforced options based on exposure and budget. For families wanting both resilience and aesthetics, replacement windows for improved curb appeal in Friendswood TX can deliver a cleaner exterior, better insulation, and stronger resale appeal. If you need window replacement near Friendswood TX and Clear Lake, choose a trusted local provider that understands coastal weather, neighborhood styles, and long-term home performance.